All right, what's up, tube? I know it's windy out here, and I got the microphone in. I don't know how this sounds, so let's just run it. So basically, I went way over here. You see this brush pile right here? It's just dead grass sitting on the next property over, and from what I hear, the county owns it. So I just took the dead grass, pretty much. Brought a whole bunch of it over here and over there where the other squash plant is growing wild, and I just we just put it, down in the bedding, pretty much. And as you can see, I shared a shot from earlier, and everything later on in the day is perked up. So that's pretty much the power and the potential of using some kind of cover crop or mulching on your vegetable garden to keep it cooler, from keeping the sun from beating down on it. It's a free resource, and everything looks great. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of share that. As you can see, it's a huge pile, and it covered a good bit over there where the other wild squash plant is. I'll just take you over there right now. So basically what we did here was the same thing. Just came through, laid it all down, and as you can see, after we watered this, everything's perking up. Even this one we planted afterwards is looking better. It was wilting bad earlier in the day. These as well, perking up. And this is just some material we pulled from over there. That's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, free organic mulching 101. That's pretty much it. Let me know what you think down in the comments down the dank.